What you're looking at here is a bed of solid mint that has been growing for quite some years. It's got a really solid root structure in there. As you can see, I pulled up a lot of the top structure. And this could be on the wisdom of threes. And the reason I say that is because you see I've gone ahead and taken an established mint cluster here. It has quite a bit of weaving roots, and it's been here for, like I said, several years, and it's grown out quite a bit. But I've dug these out, and I'm going to row these out, and I'm also going to place them in the hydro system inside and get that going. But that's where I apply the threes. I've gone ahead and taken maybe a little bit more than my 2/3 share, but I left the original third in place. And what you can't see is like the iceberg, and that is a root layer underneath that's gonna flourish now that I've taken the top back off of it. I did want to leave the primary grains above ground for the surviving root clusters underneath. Give them a head start, and then that will ensure the survival of this cluster and what will be referred to as a mother plant for this variety of mint. And I'm going to go ahead and roll this out. I'm going to grab a couple other varieties that I want to start propagating and row them next to them so I can have all my mints together. Then again, it is a touch on the application of threes. I've got the original mother that I've gone ahead and pulled out the roots, and I'm going to take these remaining 2/3. I'm going to separate it into half, so I've got my threes, and half of this is going to be rowed out in another row here, and then half of it I'm going to use in my hydroponic system, and see if I can do an internal harvest, whether that's going to be doable or not in the given situation. But that is the magic of thirds. Keep your original alive. That way, if you mess anything up, you can always come back to the first. Cool.